What are you singing? I start with my eyes and brows first, and then I move on to my face. I know a lot of people do it like the opposite way. Whatever works for you. So this is the palette that I'm going to take today. It is going to be the Morphe Dare to Create 39A. It's like one of the favorites that Morphe has launched. So I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to take that second shade right next to that, and I'm going to go ahead and dust that into the crease. So basically this part is just about building that shadow. And I'm loving the colors that are in right now, like purples, pinks. I'm like, yes. So you see how I'm like literally just giving a wash of color to this whole section in my eye right now. That into the crease directly, kind of start building that, giving it more definition. And then I take the other brush, the first brush that I had, with that same color that we took, that second color in the middle row. I'm just gonna kind of dust that like that, so I can kind of blend third color. And I'm gonna take that right here, right like under that other color. I want to take this orangey shade. Just gonna take a little bit of it. Kind of just, ooh. I'm gonna take that orangey shade and kind of take it in the lid. It's just gonna add a little bit of warmth. But it's that color. And I'm just gonna take it on my finger and I'm going to start pressing that right in. And I wanted this eye to be kind of easy, like for anyone to do. Like, you know, I'll put the cut creases and all that, of course. But to start off, I wanted something very, like, you know, beginner friendly. I feel like MAC honestly has one of the best shadows in the game of all time. Like, all, like, come on.
Oh, you're recording. Not bad. Later. I'm gonna include this. I'm gonna include all this in the video. Not bad. Bye. Bye.
Alright, I had a moment there. And deepen this a little. So I took some brown shadow, right? And I'm just going to, you look down. So you look down like this and you kind of wing it out. I really like this foundation and I feel like it works good with like any skin type. I've used it on people with like dry skin. It works very nicely. My mom swears by this foundation. I'm gonna go over my brows. I'm just gonna take an angled brush and bronze my face. Tapping it instead of sweeping it back and forth. It helps with the fallout. Oh. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I hope that you guys liked it. I really like how this turned out, like the green and the blues and the... Excited to be back on YouTube. I hope that you guys are going to be with me throughout this journey, and I hope that you guys like the content. Like I said, if you don't already follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is _ScarlyRey, because I'll be posting a lot of my upcoming looks, as well as polls and all of that. Whatever I want to have on YouTube, I'll have like a conversation on my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and share this video. Click the little bell next to the subscribe button so it can notify you when I upload a video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. This is what this look should be called. Bebecita. Bebecita. What do you think? What?